Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will do things a little different. I will trade live and I will explain what's going on while it's going on. So this time we're going to run Alpha One Max. It's a binary option robot that do use martingale. So this one, yes, can blow your account if the market go crazy. So make sure you never trade under any news or things like that. Also, when you download the robot, I give you a plan how you're going to treat this robot, how you're going to withdraw money and things like that, so you can double your account very fast. Okay. In this episode, I will take $50 trades, and I will maybe 2-3 trades. Let's see how fast it is and things like that. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And if you want this robot, you can push the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Then you can download this robot and get started today. Also included in the link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit, but as long as you deposit more than $100. So if you want to take advantage of that, make sure you do that. Now let's start up the robot and let's see how we do. I will now turn it on. There, we are live. I will now follow and see. Okay, I hate when he reloads the screen like this. It's something this broker do sometimes. It's a little annoying, but nothing you can do with it. So now let's see if he takes any trades soon. Hopefully we don't need to wait too long. This robot is made away, so it's supposed to be a little action bot. Because the other robot I also, by the way, when you download, the other robot, Alpha One Master, is there also. That's the more safe robot if you want to just have one-on-one trade, for example, with a very high win rate. This one is more for the ones that want to double their account fast. Then this robot is for you. Okay, we got 2 trades there, 3 trades, perfect. Then what we will do then, we will go to the settings. We will shoot down very fast, turn off to 1, and let's follow. Let's follow the one that will close first. That seems to be this one here, at least in profit. Let's see. Okay, maybe we lose it. Let's see. Now this one will close. I hope turn in profit. Then we have 2 trades going on. Now let's see how we do with these 2. This one is in profit. Cool. Let's follow the one that is not in profit. That is GBP USD. Let's see if you let me open that one. That one is also running in profit right now. Now in minus. Let's see if this one closes to profit will be nice. We close it all in profit. Let's then stop the robot. There, just like that. Amazing. So that is how amazingly this robot did turn out to be. We will now take a look at the trades. I will take a small break because take around 5 minutes before all the trades are registered with the percent of win rate and all this type of things. So I'll now put a pause in the video and then we'll take a look at the trades we have just taken. Okay, now we have the numbers. As you can see, we did 5 trades. We lost 2, and one of the trades we won right away, and the 2 other one we needed to have 1 martingale. So you can see we made a profit of $169. That is amazing. So the cool thing with this is that it's a possibility to explode your account super fast with this system, because you don't lose a trade. Okay, yes, you can lose if you explode your account if the martingale go all the steps, but that happens very, very rarely. Okay, so the way you need to do things is that you build up your account, withdraw, build up your account, withdraw, and do that way all the time. And then once in a while, yes, your account can explode, but it's not to worry because you have already taken out profit from all the other times you won. Okay, so that's the way you need to do it. So if you want to download this robot, push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.